we're going to be doing the floss.
And it's really fun once you get the hang of it.
Yeah. So I guess you guys just might want to watch us. We'll show you slow-mo first, and then we'll show you how to do it when you're good at it.
So first, you just put your fists out and then turn your hip, and then put your fists out again and then turn.
And then cross over, basically. And then you also want to shake your hips. So it's like this. If you're good at it.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty much it. If you want to see more videos, and subscribe.
And if you're really good at it, you could just go really quickly and stuff. So yeah.